I've been rolling smoke for about an hour at this point. I want to give them at least 2 hours of smoke before I put them in the braise. So let's just see what they're looking like. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. They got some nice color on them already. Still stiff though, but that's to be expected. These are going to take a while. Give them another hour in the smoke. But even after that, we're talking about several more hours to get these babies tender. 2 to 3 hours of smoke time, and then another few hours in the braise is what it's going to take to get these tender. These are just like oxtails. The process ain't no different, man. So I'm just going to turn all of these over right now and make sure the top side is getting some color and some smoke. And we're going to keep it rolling. Go ahead. I'm very happy with the progress I'm making so far on my turkey necks. They're looking good. The color's looking good. I know they got enough good smoke. So I think right now what I'm going to do is go ahead and make my braise and get these things off and put them in that braise to finish up. I'm gonna go back in the kitchen, grab that beef broth and put just a little bit more in here just to make sure we got enough liquid. I think it's gonna produce some liquid as well though, so I don't wanna put too much in there. We're not trying to boil them after all, we're just trying to braise them. But I think we're in a good place. Now it's just a waiting game to get them tender, man. A little more beef broth in there. It is starting to get soft, guys. They are starting to soften up. Let's crimp that down really good so you don't have much steam escaping. Put the lid back on. All right, so they're getting there, but they're not there yet. I need them a little more tender than this, man. They're edible like this. I just want them a little more tender. But this fire is about to on its last leg. You know what I'm saying? And so we're not doing any more smoking. There's really no reason for me to leave it out here. So I'm just gonna finish this inside, but shouldn't be more than another hour, if that. But these things taste good. Turkey necks is what's up. That's gonna work, man. That's good. Let me take these inside. We're gonna finish it on the stove, and I'll show you the reveal.